Alright guys, we are going to do an MJX Bugs Maiden flight. As you can probably hear in the background, there's some strong wind today, but that's alright. We are going to take this brushless beast in the air and see what it can do. Alright, and here we go. This is in flight mode 1, handling the wind just fine. Feels nice just like it did in the indoor Maiden. Of course, the sun just poked out behind us. And as such, you can see the bright light right there. Thing is nice and quick. This is just flight mode number 1. Nice tight flips, guys. Just as much a sports flyer as it would be a nice camera platform. And this is all in flight mode number 1. Look at that. It is not a slouch at all. Alright guys, and here to shut it off, you do a nice long hold. That thing flies, takes off, lands, all that stuff really, really nicely. Alright guys, we are going to do a Runcam 2 test. As you can see, we've got the Runcam 2 mounted right there. We have winds, so this is going to be a really good test for how well this thing handles the wind. Because the Runcam 2 shows any kind of shake or anything. Beautiful when it's nice and smooth, but it definitely shows the shake. down. Got a little bird friend there. Definitely a lot of wind that we are dealing with here, so this will be interesting to see how the video turns out, guys. Nice, easy touchdown, like always. Hold that thing for a long beep, and we shut it down. Thanks, guys, for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And GB Linden, out.